Well, it looks like our boy Albie Shore is doing much better these days, but everybody is still asking what was going on. Well, I went to his longtime friend, former bandmate, DJ Eddie F's page, and seeing this was posted everywhere from a hernia to organ transplant. He was also placed on dialysis and had excess fluid in his lungs and lymph nodes, and he had to have multiple blood transfusions. If you want to read this, you can pause it. But this came from Eddie F's page. So it seems like he was going through a lot of stuff. And the way it started off, I don't want to make any speculations, but it sounded like he might have had a stroke. But it was not stated that he did, but it sounded like he had a stroke. So if you want to read everything, that was written, you can pause it, post it up here. And also I posted some of his friends, sending out well wishes to him and happy that he's doing okay. And, Albie Shore lost a lot of weight a few years ago. And since I followed him daily, he seemed like he always stayed on top of his health, exercising, seemed like he ate right, working out, doing all that. And he's still a relatively young guy. So I'm not getting why he having so many health issues. But I don't know his medical history. That's none of my business. And that's not what I do here. So I just want to say, I loved Albie Shore for over 30 years now. He came out in a very special time in music and in my life. And he damn near helped create a whole new genre of R&B music. So, he have a very special place in my heart. And I just wish him well and I wish him the best. And stay strong, Mr. Albie Shore.